Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, I am going to plant out some garlic. This is a red Spanish garlic, purchased up at an Asian greengrocer. And it's nothing special. I haven't spent a fortune buying seed for it or anything like that. So first thing we want to do is just take off that outer papery layer. Okay, once we start getting down to the cloves, we're just going to break those out. Okay. Now you want to take off the paper layers that cover multiples, but you don't want to take off the paper layers that just cover a single. So that one there. Coming off, I'll take it off. If it's not going to come off, I'll just leave it on. All right, well, I'll go through and break up the rest of this clove. I got 15 cloves out of that. So our next step's to head outside and start putting these in the ground. Hidden in amongst the weeds out here, I have some white garlic. Now, I planted this in summer as an experiment, and it's coming up now. So, doing fantastic. So now we're going to just spread this red Spanish through the garden bed. So I'm just going to plant in between the scattered groupings of the white. Just want to poke a hole through and go about an inch deep. By going into these spots where the white has survived, I'm ensuring that they're going into a section of ground that's a good microclimate for them. I've already got plants that have survived through the harshness of summer, so going through the cooler months of winter should be a lot easier because they're a winter growing plant. All right, so we'll leave them there. We'll come back, have a look at them in a month or so and see how they're going. Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.